The unseen risk, food additives and cardiovascular health. Title: The unseen risk, food additives and cardiovascular health. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, the convenience and availability of processed foods have become inevitable. However, there is growing concern about the potential health risks associated with the additives used in these products. One particular area of concern is the impact on cardiovascular health. This article aims to shed light on the unseen risks posed by food additives and their potential effect on our heart health. Understanding food additives. Food additives are substances used to enhance the flavor, appearance, texture, and shelf life of processed foods. While many additives are considered safe and undergo rigorous testing before approval, the long-term effects of some additives on human health remain uncertain. Some commonly used food additives include artificial sweeteners, preservatives, flavor enhancers, and colorants. Artificial sweeteners and cardiovascular health. Artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame and sucralose, are commonly used as sugar substitutes. They are often marketed as safe alternatives for individuals looking to reduce their sugar intake. How? Recent research suggests that excessive consumption of these artificial sweeteners may have adverse effects on cardiovascular health. These findings raise concerns about the potential mechanisms by which artificial sweeteners may contribute to these health issues. Some theories suggest that artificial sweeteners may disrupt the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels and alter gut microbiota, leading to metabolic complications. Preservatives and their impact on the heart. Preservatives are additives used to extend the shelf life of food products by inhibiting the growth of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. They are often found in processed meats, snacks, and canned foods. While preservatives are generally recognized as safe when consumed in moderation, excessive intake may pose risks to cardiovascular health. One widely used preservative, sodium nitrite, has been a topic of concern due to its potential association with an increased risk of heart disease. Sodium nitrite is commonly used in processed meats, such as bacon, sausage, and hot dogs, to enhance their flavor and preserve their color. However, studies have shown that high consumption of processed meats containing sodium nitrite may lead to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. The formation of harmful compounds, such as nitrosamines, during the processing and cooking of these meats, is believed to be the underlying cause. Flavor enhancers and their effects on heart health. Flavor enhancers, such as monosodium glutamate, message, are additives used to intensify the taste of processed foods. While message is generally recognized as safe, excessive consumption can have adverse effects on cardiovascular health. Some individuals may be more sensitive to the effects of message, experiencing symptoms such as palpitations, increased blood pressure, and chest discomfort. These symptoms are often grouped together and referred to as Chinese restaurant syndrome. However, the link between message consumption and these symptoms is inconclusive, and more research is needed to fully understand any potential impact on cardiovascular health. Colorants and potential cardiovascular risks. Colorants are additives used to enhance the color of food products to make them visually appealing. Certain artificial colorants, particularly those derived from coal tar or petroleum, have raised concerns regarding their potential impact on cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that certain coal tar colorants, such as red 3, may have harmful effects on the heart. Red 3, commonly used in processed foods, has been shown to cause thyroid tumors in animal stew. Dyes. While research on the direct impact of red 3 on cardiovascular health is limited, its association with tumor development raises concerns about potential adverse effects. The impact of food additives on blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a widespread health concern, affecting millions of people worldwide. While various factors contribute to hypertension, recent research suggests certain food additives may play a role in its development and management. Sodium, a common additive used for flavor and preservation in processed foods, has long been linked to high blood pressure. When consumed in excess, sodium can cause fluid retention and increase the workload on the heart, leading to elevated blood pressure levels. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium intake to no more than 2,300 mg per day, or even lower for individual. ALS with hypertension. In addition to sodium, another additive of concern is monosodium glutamate, MESSAGE. While MESSAGE is generally recognized as safe, certain individuals may be more sensitive to its effects. Some studies have suggested that MESSAGE consumption may contribute to the development or worsening of hypertension in these susceptible individuals. However, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind this potential association. Some food additives have been found to affect cholesterol metabolism, which may have implications for heart health. Trans fats, which are commonly used in processed foods to improve shelf life, have been strongly associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Trans fats not only raise LDL cholesterol levels but also lower HDL cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol. The consumption of trans fats should be minimized or avoided altogether to protect heart health. Another additive that may impact cholesterol levels is artificial food coloring. Artificial food coloring, particularly the widely used yellow 5 and yellow 6, has been associated with elevated LDL-CH cholesterol levels in some studies. However, more research is needed to confirm this potential effect and understand its underlying mechanisms. Reducing the risk. To minimize the potential risks associated with food additives and protect cardiovascular health, several measures can be taken. 1. Emphasize whole foods. Opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, which are naturally low in additives and provide essential nutrients for heart health. 2. Read labels. Take the time to read ingredient labels when purchasing processed foods. Look out for additives such as sodium, trans fats, artificial sweeteners, preservatives, flavor enhancers, and colorants. Choose products with fewer or no additives. 3. Cook from scratch. By preparing meals at home, you have control over the ingredients used, reducing your exposure to potentially harmful additives. 4. Limit processed foods. Minimize the consumption of processed foods, including packaged snacks, fast food, and pre-packaged meals, as they often contain higher levels of additives. By being informed about the potential risks of food additives and making conscious choices, individuals can take steps to protect their cardiovascular health. While processed foods may offer convenience in our modern lifestyle, prioritizing whole, fresh foods is crucial for maintaining a heart-healthy diet. The connection between food additives and heart disease. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, and various factors contribute to its development, including poor diet choices. Emerging research suggests that certain food additives may play a role in the development or exacerbation of heart disease. One additive of concern is high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, a sweetener commonly found in processed foods and sugary beverages. HFCS consumption has been linked to an increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Another additive that may contribute to heart disease is artificial trans fats. Trans fats are created through the process of hydrogenation, which converts liquid vegetable oils into solid fats, impure.